A screw-propelled vehicle platform for use in multiple types of granular media. This was our preliminary design. The ultimate goal at the end was to be able to simulate this craft in an off-Earth, low-gravity environment. So we started with glass beads, something that we could very easily characterize in our simulation program. So this is the robotic craft moving in these 2mm glass beads. You can see that it handles them quite well. And then we took the characteristics of the beads and simulated these in a DEM simulation. The program that we used is EDM. So we did it in both Earth gravity and lunar gravity to test out the movement of the craft. What we found was that the experiments and simulations had pretty good overlap. The simulations inflated the craft velocity by about 5 to 15%, and the gravity affected the craft in the way that we anticipated that it would. So with this, we moved forward to a new design of the craft aimed at tackling the highly angular, highly cohesive lunar simulant called BP1, which is a very, very finely crushed rock, about 5 to 100 microns in average size. All of the components for this craft are entirely contained within housing, including the motors within the pontoons, to protect them from dust. So we first tested this craft out in glass beads. It again handled them quite well. We went to a more field-ready material, which was quartz sand. This is actually forward motion over a hill, which is difficult to see in the top view, but you can tell there it handles it quite well. And then we moved on to the lunar simulant. So this is the front view of it moving through this very, very dense, highly angular, cohesive material. We have another camera angle here. And then I included a very happy accident the first time that we ran this trial. So you'll notice that we accidentally set the motors to rotate the same direction instead of counter-rotating. This was a very fortuitous accident because what we noticed upon reviewing this video was that it moved quite well when translating sideways. So we decided to test it out, specifically crab walking and going sideways. And we see that it achieves very, very fast mobility over normally difficult material to traverse. So we are very, very excited to investigate this more, and you can come check out my experiment at poster 11. Thank you.